Microsoft Edge, it's incredibly easy to save your favorites and make it way more efficient when you're navigating the web. So if you've got a website that you want to save, what you need to do is press this button up here, favorites, and then you can choose where to save it. So we can make new folders. So I can make a folder called creative. Okay, and I want that for reasons I'll explain in another video. I want that to be in the other favorites area. And then in there, that's where I want to save it. So I'm going to click that button. And then I'll drag it. If it didn't go to the right place, you can just drag and let go. And then I've got it in that folder. So now for me to navigate to that, it's highlighting look as a favorite. For me to navigate to that in the future, I just click that, creative, and I can click on it. Now you'll notice I use the bookmark toolbar. I'm going to do another video on that because there's a little bit more to that. And you also have another option, whereas if you want the full titles and things and the bar isn't enough, what you can do is you can click the favorites icon. You can click this pin button. What this will do is it will pin your favorites at the side. Now I know it looks like there's not a lot of real estate here, but it's because this website's got adverts on the side as well. So if I go to Google, you could see you could technically have all your favorites down here in a nice list if you regularly navigate into the same websites, and it will just save you a lot of time and a lot less typing. And again, all of this is just about becoming more efficient in the piece of software that we use. And favorites is a massive one for web browsing. So that's one option. I would encourage you, because although I'm making a video on this, I don't do any of this, and because I use the favorites bar. So, but I'm going to record that in a separate video.